Today you're going to create your own Langston Hughes simile or metaphor. So the first thing you need to do is you need to search for a Google image of Langston Hughes. And these options should come up. And you want to find a picture of his face straight on. So this first one is the one I'm going to use, but again, you can use any one that you find, but again, his face needs to be straight on. And you're going to right click, save image as, and then just save it to the desktop. Okay, and then I can get out of that. And then I'm going to go to blabberize.com. And you'll have to create an account once you get here. So you're going to go down to sign up, and then you're going to make a username, put in your district email, so your rtmsd.net email, and then you can create a password and then sign up. I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in over here. Okay, so you can go up to this Make button at the top. Find a picture, so you're going to upload the picture of Langston Hughes that you found on Google, which should be right on your desktop. You're going to select the area that you want to use. So try to keep as much of his face as possible. Go on arrow. And then you're going to have to situate this to his mouth. So you get it around his mouth as much as possible. Got to play with it a little bit here. This is okay. And we can go on and just see how that's going to work. So if you click your microphone, allow, and then you start to talk, you can see his mouth moving, which looks a little awkward because his teeth are moving too, but you can play with it, to make it look however you want. And then when you are ready to say your own simile or metaphor, you're going to click the record button and just read your metaphor. So for example, what happens to a dream deferred? Does it dry up like a raisin in the sun? And then you can play it.
What happens to a dream deferred? Does it dry up like a raisin in the sun?
And then click go on. And then you'll be able to play it for the class.
What happens to a dream deferred? Does it dry up like a raisin in the sun?
Have fun!